Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your GoDaddy domain with Cloudflare. So here's what you're going to do. First you're going to check your domains, then go to DNS settings. Once you are here, you're going to go to name servers and you can see the default name servers of GoDaddy, and now you're going to go to Cloudflare and create your free account, and then you're going to onboard a domain. Then you're going to add your domain name here. In my case, it's muhammadmubashir.com. Now you can select whatever you want. I would suggest using quick scan for DNS records. Now click continue. Now you're going to select the free plan. You can actually delete these records. We don't need them. Then continue to activation. Now we are going to grab the name server name servers from here, and then change name servers, replace them with your own, and hit save. Continue. Now we are going to wait till uh, it's online. So let's continue. You can click on check name servers now. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to be online, and then hit refresh. Great news. Cloudflare is now protecting your site and your domain is now live. Now, the next thing you're going to do is go to SSL and TLS settings, then configure. Make sure to select strict or full origin pull. You can just go with this and hit save, and that's it. With this, your domain is now set up with Cloudflare, and now we are going to move to next video, which will where I will show you how to set up your domain with System.io. See you in the next one.